Hello, it's Richard Smith here, and we're going to show you how to use a visualizer to simply project a worksheet onto the board and to annotate it. So first of all, this is an AVerMedia visualizer, and in this room we've got a smart board. So obviously with a smart board you've got your own document camera that you could just use, but in this case we got a different make of visualizer or document camera to the board. So let's show you how easy it is. At the moment it's on orange, which isn't a very good sign. You probably can't read it, but it says orange means that that's ready for a TV output. So on this particular visualizer there's a little switch here at the side, and you just move that to RGB and then it changes green, so that's always a good sign. It shows it's plugged in, it's recognised the device by the sound there. There's no error message come up here. And on this particular software, the AVerMedia, you've got something called Ava Plus, which is really easy to use. While that's loading, you've got some different settings at the top here, so you can actually get a light that appears, and you can get some guides as well, which are little red dots. What we've got on this one, we've also got an SD card reader at the side, this side, and a USB slot, so you can save stuff. So what's happened, rather cleverly, is the software's opened and we can move the sheet, so we could focus on some keywords at the top, and we should be able to just press a button and zoom in. So let's have a look, zoom in. Now what you want to do obviously is you don't want to be sat here with your back to the students, so it's probably better to be over here at the side facing the students, and then on the software you've got a plus button here and a minus button. So let's just zoom in, zoom out again. Obviously the teachers had to calibrate the board first. So in this case I would zoom in, talk to the students about the words here. This is to do with Scrooge: mean, generous, clever, stupid, old, young. And then I'd zoom in so far that I'd got some guidelines here, so I could actually use the pens to write on here. So if I think of Scrooge, probably think of mean, grumpy. Now what this will do is when you put the pen down, is it will add an ink layer to the board. So if I just click on it now, it gives you some choices. So you could close the ink layer, which means it will actually go away, or you could clear the ink and then get the students to suggest some other words. Okay, so that's the first lesson, 3-minute little video for you to watch. Hope you found it useful.